One Voice AI review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called One Voice AI. So this is the One Voice AI review. Right now we are on the sales page and then we have the demo video. And in the demo video we can see that you can create multiple audio scripts into voiceovers, as you can see here. So you can check out this video, right? Or maybe I'll play this video and this and you can see you have to just type in the script here, you see. So type in your script and then click submit. After that it will just generate some voices for you. Okay, so that's how it is. That's what you can do with the software, and I'll come back to the demo video in a moment. Let's get to the sales page first, and let me see what the pricing is. You will get a discount as well. So when you come on the come on the sales page for the first time and you try to go back, you will get a $3 discount coupon code. Okay, and otherwise the price is, I guess I forgot to check, maybe at the bottom we'll have the pricing here, maybe $14 something. It's quite lengthy sales page. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, $14, you see. And even on that you are getting a discount of $3. So once again, once you try to go away from the page, it will give you that discount. Okay, so 14.95 can become 11.95. That's the front end to get into it. Obviously you will have some in limitations. It will not be unlimited. For example, you come back here and you saw the audio script was not that kind of very lengthy. Okay, so let's say you want to make longer voiceovers, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you might have to pay more to upgrade to unlimited audio script length. Okay, now below the video it might be flashing grow your income 27%. That reason is because if you go and check out the first link below this YouTube video, it says swing trading on automation, and click on that, enter your email, then come to this page. And this software, if you install the system as per the instructions which we will give you, you can make 27% growth on your existing income. Okay, so if you go to my channel, actually, if you click on my channel here and then come and then click on playlist here, so go to playlist, and then below that here at the bottom you will see it's 1634 videos. Okay, so I used to do these reviews in the past, right? Because I was doing these warrior plus reviews, and these warrior plus reviews were mostly shiny objects. Okay, so what this means that people will say that, okay, buy my $17 product or $20 product and you will start making money. That's all crap. Okay, that nobody makes money in $20 or $30 or $50. Okay, so if you are dreaming about making money in $20, $30, please wake up. There's no such thing. But this One Voice AI is only about the voiceover, so it converts the audio script into voiceover. If you want to buy this, you will find the link below. Okay, so you will find all the links below. But if you are only interested in making money without doing anything, because remember, again, you come back here. So what I did, I made these reviews back in the past 3-4 years ago. I was doing these reviews, I left it, and then I got into my other field, which is forex trading. Okay, so you can see then I made these hundreds of videos. You see 494 videos here. So I made these 100 of videos on forex trading. So I mastered trading myself. I got into it, learned it, mastered it, and after that I have created a robot which works on the charts automatically and just prints money. And again, you're watching below, it says 27% per year growth. So this is not for people who are broke already. Okay, so this word trading by trading on its own means that it's not for everybody. Okay, it's only for people who got the money. If you don't have the money, no problem, it's not for you. Okay, it is only for people who have the money sitting in their bank account and they can afford to invest it. Okay, so let's say your bank is giving you 4%, 5% interest rate in 1 year, and your money is just sitting there. Okay, so if you have 20,000, 30,000, $40,000 sitting in your bank account doing nothing, or maybe more, take out that money, little bit of that, whatever. Okay, invest the money, and use my software, install it on the charts. We will help you with every setup. Okay, but first of all, you need to know how this works. So click on the first link below, enter your email, then come on this page, and then watch this video till the end. We have tested it for 5 years. Okay, so you can see that in 5 years we have made a lot of money in the system, and on average with very less settings, you could make minimum 27% per year. Okay, so nobody is telling you that you will become millionaire overnight unless you're already. So I'm not talking about doubling your money, tripling your money. No. So let's take an example of $10,000. So if you invest $10,000 and then install the software and let the software work on your charts, then 10,000 could become 12,750 or something in 1 year. So if you keep 10,000 in your bank account, imagine your bank will give you maybe $400, $500 in 1 year. Okay, if you keep 10,000 in your bank account, you will get 400, 500 in 1 year. But if you use the system, which I'm talking about, then you can make 27% at minimum in 1 year. You keep growing the account, you will keep growing your money. Okay, so let me remind again here, this is not turning poor people into rich. Okay, this is not about that, turning broke into rich people. It's not a lottery, it's not gambling. It's a proper steady growth income system. And why am I coming back and doing these reviews now? The reason is quite simple. Earlier I did not have any such thing which we could believe that just set, forget and print money. I never believed on that until I created the system myself. Okay, it has got nothing to do with selling anything. It's a forex, it's a trading thing. If you again go below and come to this page here, click on the first link, then enter email, come to the page here, play this video, see these trades were taken by the software, created by me. It's technically my human brain which I have transferred into the robot, and that robot is doing the trading, technically me. Okay, but it's all automated. All you have to do is set it once, forget it, and then come and check every month, see how much money you have grown. Okay, and even we are giving 6 months money back guarantee, because we understand that it is definitely gonna take time, but definitely gonna work, because we have tested it for 5 years. Okay, we have tested it for 5 years. You need to at least give it 6 months. That's why we giving 6 months, but that is why we are giving 6 months money back guarantee too, because we know it's gonna work. Okay, it's not something which I don't know about. I have created the system myself. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, if you wanna go and get this One Voice AI, you will find the link below, and go and buy the OTUs if you want unlimited voiceovers. If your goal is only to make money on the internet, and that too by doing nothing, but it's only for those people who got the money. Okay, so click the first link, then check out this video if you have any questions. And if you want to talk to me or consult with me, you can book one-to-one consultation here. As you can see, you will find my email and everything once you go on this link. Okay, if you want to contact me, you will find the book. We will find the email and everything when you click on book consultation. Anyways, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.